Still act like I did back in the 6th grade. Shit stained, snotty nose, whiny little bitch face, throwing temper tantrums in the bathroom, toothpaste all over my switchblade. I wonder if I carved this grin into my skin, my life would be a joke, then I feel better than I did. I wonder if I carved this grin into my skin, my life would be a joke. Yeah, now I'm back. Oh, look at that. You're talking smack. I've been through hell, but now I'm back. When death comes knocking at your door and nothing's left worth fighting for, say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. Kingdom come is falling down. No one's left to save you now. Say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. It's been 21 days since I played the news. CNN fucks with my brain and mood. There's only so much that a man can take, thinking about death in the office place. I stopped sending texts again. I wonder if I keep this up, will I still have friends? People get offended when I don't reply. I feel relieved by the silence, but I don't know why. Yeah, now I'm back. Oh, look at that. You're talking smack. I've been through hell, but now I'm back. When death comes knocking at your door and nothing's left worth fighting for, say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. Kingdom come is falling down. No one's left to save you now. Say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. Show me what you're made of. Alone down the street, don't need your prayer, no sympathy. I wear my pride round my neck, so it's best you watch your step, 'cause I've been